kaba, a hippo. Kaban, a bag. Please notice that has one molar. Kaban. Someone gave me a comment that doesn't have one molar. Actually, it is a bit shorter, but if you add particle, for example, カバンをください. Please give me the bag. カバンをください. If you say the phrase in English, カバンをください. Some Japanese people don't take it as カバンをください. うちにはカバなんね. Kind of. So, please notice that has one molar. カバ, カバン, カバ, カバン. So we can say カバのカバン. カバのカバン.
カバのカバン means a bag which a hippo owns, or a bag which has an illustration of a hippo on it, or a bag which is shaped like a hippo, or a bag whose owner has the nickname hippo.
Don't worry about it too much. This is just an exercise for the Japanese speech accent. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。